Hello, students. Welcome to the Smart World, the School of Complete Education. Today, the topic is Chapter 3 Life on Earth. Okay, 3.1 Formation of Earth, Beginning of Earth, Life on Earth. And this lesson will definitely give the complete structure of the formation of Earth and how we live in the Earth. Likewise, this lesson will give answers for that. For okay, 3.1 Formation of the Earth. There are some questions we all wonder about this. Uh, how did the earth on which we live come to be? When did it happen? Likewise, we have some different questions. In this lesson, we may get such answers from that. Was it always way we see it today, or has it undergone changes? If it has changed, what exactly are those changes? Likewise, we have some different questions about the earth formations. So, on the basis of scientific research, they have now it is believed on the research of a scientist, they give some believed and answers for that questions. Likewise, it was the formation of earth was around 4.5 billion years ago. An enormous cloud of very hot gases and dust spinning at a great speed was formed in the space. The full of dust formation, no. Likewise, the earth was fully formed before the 4.5 billion years ago. Okay, this is a formation of a earth along the report of a scientific research. Okay, its circular motion and a great speed caused it to divide into several portions, thus creating the sun and planets which revolve around the sun. Okay, we all know that the solar system it was consist of 8 planets. Before it has a 9 planets, Pluto also, but it has been separated from that because of it cannot rotate itself and the sun, but it can sorry, it can rotate itself and rotate the earth. So that's why the scientists told that it was separated from the solar system. So now the solar system has 8 planets. It can be divided from the earth. Likewise, several portions has been divided into circular motion and great speed. So it is the earth, the sun and the planets were revolve around the sun. Okay, what are the planets means? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets and the solar system had the head called sun. Okay, because the Pluto has been not rotate in this sorry on the Pluto axis, it rotates on the Neptune axis. So the scientists may separated it from the solar system. Okay, beginning of life on the earth. So we all know that we may born and we are living in the earth onwards. But before our generation, what are the things may be what are the things may be in the earth? Likewise, we don't know. So what are the first species which are being lived in the earth? Likewise, we have to see in the lesson. So beginning of life on a earth. Among these planets, the earth is the only planet where life is known to the exist. There are many planets. 8 planets are in the solar system, but humans are able to live. That means the earth only. Okay, because the earth have the water, air. Likewise, the human basic needs are available only on the earth. Likewise, the research has been going on to maybe we are in future the Mars also have been become a living planet also. Likewise, may came. Okay, after the formation of the earth, it took about 80 crore years for its surface to cool down and for water bodies to be formed on that. After the earth formation, it has a take a time to be worthable for people's living. Okay, it has 80 crore years taken to be cooled down, and then because it was formation because it has been formed in the dust only. Okay, now it has been converted into cool down and water bodies formed on it. Likewise, the seas were formed. It is believed like that various kinds of unicellular organisms or living things first appear in water. They are known as protozoa. Okay, we all know that the one cells and two cells and three cells, likewise, animals were separated. Okay, first thing that was formed in the earth is unicellular organism, that is called protozoa. Okay, gradually multicellular living things developed from these unicellular ones. So one, the multicellular things also converted, sorry, multicellular ones also been developed from this unicellular organism only. So this is a picture which represents that unicellular organism, that is called a protozoa. The protozoa are so tiny that they cannot be seen with the naked eyes. We cannot see that in our eyes. So because it is a very tiny, and it was only seen through of microscope only. This is a microscope. We, through this only we have to see that unicellular organisms. Okay, and then the animal world on the earth. Likewise, we also have the earth. Likewise, also the animals and plants also have the earth as a living things. Okay, living one. Not ourselves only we get a earth as our own. No, likewise, these also have some spaces to live in the earth. The living world on the earth consists of plants and animals. First of all, the thing which was formed, that means unicellular, and then it was converted into plants and animals. Plants, there was shall, here we shall take into account the animal world. Here we shall take the account the following are some of the main characteristics of the animals. Animals have some of the same characteristics, likewise the humans. Oh, animals breathe. Oh, likewise the human breathing organism, breathing system, likewise animals also have that. Okay, animal move in order to get a food or for other purposes. Likewise likewise human being, the animals are also have to move from one place to another to get a foods, likewise, and then for other purpose also they have to move from one place to another for their personal services. Okay, personal purposes. Animals of some species lay eggs and their young ones are born out of eggs. Animals of some other species give birth to their young ones. Likewise, the mammals and other species, the animal world. Oh, these are the animal world which tell us that the some of the species which may lay the eggs and some of the lay the young ones also. Okay, give a birth to young one. Some of the examples, likewise, see. So this is an example. It is called a food chain. The animals before the human have been born, before the organisms were lived like this, they get a first of all, this is called food chain. It may give first of all the grass, the plants, the these are called producers, and then they get a food. These have been food for the grasshopper, and then grasshopper has been, the frog has as a food. Okay, that is called grasshopper. And then snake has a food from, the food for the snake is called frog. And then eagle, it has been a food snake. Okay, likewise the circle have been surrounded grass. This is called a producer, they are the producer for that. And then primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer, final consumer, decomposer. So the first of all, the plant has been grown, these are the producers, that has been eaten by the grasshopper. The grasshopper has been eaten by the frog, and the frog has been eaten by the snake, and snake has been eaten by the eagle. And this can be decomposer, the fungi, unicellular organism, likewise they have been destroyed. Okay, this is called food chain. Before the human born, these are the food chain for the animals lived in the earth. Okay, okay, that is an example. So this is a thing that have been understand from this lesson, chapter 3. So I gave some examples for the egg laying animals and young ones born out. Okay, that example I have been given. Okay. So these are some of the egg-laying animals. Okay, the duck, the hen, and then frog also. Likewise, fish, eagle. These are the snake. These are the egg-laying animals. And then wait for the animals and their young ones. The lions, sheep, goat, horse. Likewise, these are the young ones. Okay. Thank you. Hello students, welcome to the Smart World, the School of Complete Education. Now we see the third chapter's exercise. First of all, answer each question in one sentence. What instrument do we need to see a unicellular organism? Likewise, I told in the page number 12, the microscope has been used to see that the unicellular organism. Where did the protozoa appear first? Where did the protozoa appear first? The protozoa the protozoa has been appeared in the water bodies. Okay, the brief answers has been told by your teachers, and then find the names of the planets in the box below. Okay, first of all the Mercury, and then this line Venus, Neptune. Likewise, we have to the 8 planets we have to find in this. Arrange the events given below in the chronological order. Water bodies appeared on the Earth's surface. The sun and the planets revolving around it were created. Protozoa appeared in the water. An enormous cloud of hot gases and dust was formed in the space. First of all, the answer will be D. And then the answer will be B. An enormous cloud of hot gases and dust was formed in space was the first answer. And then the sun and the planets revolving around it were created. And then water bodies, answer A. And then water bodies appeared on the earth's surface, and then protozoa appeared in the water. So these are the chronological order. Okay, these are some of the activities which can be told by your teacher. Do you know this? Some scientists feel that there is a possibility of life on Mars. So likewise, I told in the chapter, we have to be lived in the Mars after future. Likewise, I told. So this is a thing they have told here. However, no evidence regarding this has been found so far. In future, we may be lived in that. So likewise, we cannot collect some evidence in that. So like our Earth, Mars too has the volcanoes, valleys, and deserts also. Likewise, Earth onwards, these also have some too much of volcanoes. Volcanoes, we all know that the fire will give that. Likewise, we know. And then valleys. Valleys are too much, and deserts also have that. It also have a polar regions covered with ice sheets. These also have some polar regions also. So 95% of its atmosphere contains carbon dioxide. Okay, we may live, we may breathe because of the use of oxygen only, but it has covered with carbon dioxide, so it has been difficult to live on that. It also has some oxygen in very small quantities, as also other gases and water. Hence, it was thought that life may exist on Mars. So, we have a chance to live on that, but has some difficulties also. The soil on Mars is found to contain some components that are essential for the growth of the plants. So, plants get carbon dioxide and give off the oxygen, but a human inside get oxygen and get out the carbon dioxide. So, the plants have to live in that. The soil components which have the ability to the plants have been grown in that place. More research is being carried out in the light of these facts. However, the existence of water in its liquid form is essential for life to exist. It is true that the polar regions of the Mars are covered with the ice, but there is no liquid water. So the idea of a man from Mars has been popular through lectures and cinema, but scientific research has not confirmed it. It has some it has some cinemas likewise, but it cannot be confirmed by the scientist. India launched, we all know that India launched Mangalyaan, okay, on that to March on that 5th November 2013, and the mission was successfully accomplished on 24 September 2014. This was a historical event because our India will obtain the success. Okay, and I give example. So this is a Mangalyaan which has been sent by our scientists to the Mars. So this is an example Mangalyaan, and then so this is a picture Mars which has been photo taken by some anything like we don't know that. So this is a picture called Mars. Okay, thank you.